Harazlin. And he might be through here. Alexander Zinchenko. Can he find the right pass? And credit is due for that good piece of defending. Lobotka. And he's through here. And a goal! That will do it. They've been pushing for it, and now they've been rewarded.
Well, let's see this again. Look at the bend he gets on this. That struck so cleanly. What a good finish.
1-0 then. Harazlin. Oh, in with a chance. Great movement. And a goal it is. They lead by 2 now. Fully deserved.
Well, here it is. Head down, hit through the ball and get it on target. That's a top-class finish. There was no stopping that.
So back underway with the lead standing at 2-0. He's in with a chance. Must be. And it's 2 for him today. A masterful performance. The defenders unable to stop him.
Well, as you can see, what a good bit of play this is. The build-up is excellent. 1- and 2-touch passing, clever movement and a fairly simple finish. Great team goal.
Is this going to be a thrashing? 3-0 now. He succeeds in clearing it. And it crossed the byline. A goal kick as a result. Oh, terrible mistake by the keeper. Can he take advantage? And still danger here. Well, the keeper atones for the original error. Thank goodness the fans will be thinking to themselves.
Well, he's got away with that one there. That was a moment of madness from the goalkeeper.
Michailo Mudryk. Couldn't hang on to it. Oh, what an opportunity. And that's the hat-trick! Tearing apart this defence time and again. They simply can't handle him.
Well, here it is again. And what a good build-up this is. Quick, incisive passing, clever movement, and all done at pace, which led to a simple finish. That's a real joy to watch.
Substitution then. Let's see how it affects the match. And the whistle is sounded for half-time in this game. Well, they've got things going again here, and I wonder what kind of second half we have in store for us. Harazlin. He's in here. And foiled by the post. And keeper's ball in the end.
Well, look at the relief out there. That looked a certain goal, didn't it?
Stepanenko. Alexander Zinchenko. Well, they've given him too much space. Oh, might be. Is it going to be? Well, the keeper had plenty to think about with bodies around him. Duda. Might be onto something with that ball. Genuine chance. On his own with only the keeper to beat. But he's missed it, Stuart.
Well, he went for power, but he didn't make the perfect connection. That's why he's missed the target there.
Putting in quite the shift to win the ball back. It should be. And collected tidily. He had plenty to think about. Dovbyk. Artem Dovbyk. And a fine tackle. Well, we're inside the final 15 minutes. It's got to be. Oh, burying them beneath an avalanche of goals. No let up here.
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease, and it's just a change of pace. And from there, he never looked like missing. That's a lovely goal.
Time for a change then. Oh, my goodness, it's so one-sided. 5-0 in this match. Skriniar. Skriniar. Can he put it away? Oh, yes! A goal! Exactly what they were looking for, and he's come up with it.
Well, just look at the setup here. It's such a clever back heel, and the movement is good, making for a comfortable finish. It's a really great goal.
And cutting it out, and that is the end of the contest, and not a happy outcome as far as the visitors are concerned.
Yeah, it's a disappointing result, and they were just a yard off the pace today. It leaves them in a tricky position, 3 points from 6, so it's vital they bounce.